These are the processes that typically happen today when PSO restores electrical service when the lights go out due to weather, a car accident, or other cause. The customer contacts PSO to report that the power is out.
Welcome to American Electric Power's Customer Solutions Center.
An AEP dispatcher sends a crew. Today's software uses the addresses reporting outages and information about equipment on that circuit to predict the location and equipment involved in the fault. Still, the crew usually doesn't know the exact location or specific cause of the interruption until it is physically located. Once at the site, the crew may find it needs another crew, additional tools, or equipment. Depending on the design of the local equipment and the nature of the fault, the crew may be able to manually operate switches to isolate the fault, restoring power to some of the customers. The crew completes the needed repairs and all power returns to service.